How does civil rights fit into libertarianism and societal issues? How does civil rights fit into libertarianism and societal issues? This question opens up a fascinating discussion about individual freedom and equality. At the heart of libertarianism is the belief in protecting individual liberty and ensuring equal treatment under the law. Libertarians argue that every person has natural rights that should not be violated by others or the government. Libertarianism emphasizes that individuals should be free from coercion and discrimination. This perspective aligns closely with the historical fight against slavery, which libertarians viewed as the ultimate denial of individual rights. The abolition of slavery is a key moment that shows libertarianism's commitment to individual freedom and opposition to oppression. When we look at the civil rights movement and legislation like the Civil Rights Act of 1964, libertarians acknowledge the importance of ending state-enforced discrimination. This act aimed to eliminate discrimination in public accommodations and voting rights, which are essential for individual freedoms. By enforcing laws against racial discrimination in public facilities, the act aligns with libertarian principles by protecting individual rights from government-supported violations. However, libertarians often make a distinction between government-imposed discrimination and private discrimination. They oppose state-enforced segregation, but also defend private property rights. This means that some libertarians believe private individuals or businesses should have the freedom to choose whom they associate with, even if that includes discriminatory preferences. This view is based on the idea that voluntary interactions should not be forced by government mandates. In societal issues, libertarianism promotes a merit-based system. This means individuals should be judged by their abilities and actions rather than their group identity. Libertarians support removing legal barriers that prevent equal opportunity but are cautious about government measures that enforce equality of outcomes. They often see regulations like minimum wages or quotas as infringements on economic freedom. Practical applications of libertarian views in the civil rights context include advocating for laws that prohibit government discrimination while opposing laws that restrict private choice. Libertarians stress the importance of protecting freedom of speech, association, and property rights. They believe that civil rights are best respected through voluntary social cooperation rather than government intervention. In summary, civil rights fit into libertarianism as a defense of individual liberty against government oppression. Libertarians support legal protections for equal treatment by the government while remaining skeptical about government mandates that regulate private behavior. This balance reflects their commitment to individual freedom and the belief that civil rights are essential for a free society.